Well, we never got a video of the crash, or at least as far as I know, but the only thing that the broadcast did show was Ryder DiFrancesco being talked to and then being carted off the track. And he has come on today on his Instagram saying, quote, "Bummed on how my night ended in Glendale. I was making my way through the pack and came up short in a rhythm. God, we got a couple weeks to recover. Thank you, team TLD race, blah, blah, blah." Obviously, they're off until the 23rd, March 23rd, I believe, for when the West comes back. So good to hear that at least it's not a serious thing and that, hey, in a few weeks I'll be back and we'll be racing. Well, I guess more than almost a month now. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, one, did you like the crash fest that was Glendale? Because apparently, well, not apparently, there was a ton of crashes. Two, did you like Glendale in general? 450, 250 winners, the whole Nate Thrasher crash, this one, a bunch of other ones. Whatever. Comment down below what you think of the race. Obviously, a lot of people are talking about like it was a really good one, and I agree. I actually like the track. I don't think it was as bad as a lot of people saying, or as boring as a lot of people were saying it was going to be. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.